Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation for your virtual ISO practices. So let's begin. First go to download folder where you downloaded VMware setup file, then double click. So after double click you will see that welcome setup wizard window. So after getting that, click next just like this. So tick this box. I accept the terms in the license agreement. After that, click next. Also click next. Install. So we have to wait like 1 or 2 minutes to install this application. Here we go. It's just take little bit time to install. So okay, we got the desktop icon. So just a little more. Okay, sure. So you have to wait like a few minutes to install the software. Okay, come on. Okay, it seems to be done. So okay, it's finished now. Now click finish. Okay, so now we have successfully installed the VMware application. So now I'm going to open this application. Okay, I just refreshed the computer and I'm going to right click and click open. Okay, here we after you get in this window, if you have a valid license key, you can enter the license key for this software. So otherwise you can use for your personal users using this one, using clicking this one. Okay, so I'm going to click select this one, use the VMware Workstation 17 for personal use. So after clicking this, I'm going to continue. Okay, now click the finish. Okay, right now, so it just auto opened. So this is it, that's all. Okay, thank you guys. So let's meet again with another video.